Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Fresh Air Outdoors. As you can see, I'm with my boy Hunter today, and we're out here at this beautiful pond. It's got like a whole bunch of aerators in it, and I heard it's got some pretty good catfish in it, so we're about to hit it up. But I don't know, this is looking bassy over here. This is looking like it might be the ticket. We'll have to check it out. Can't tell whether I'm just getting snagged in weeds. Got one. That did not take very long. Oh, he's pulling pretty hard. Yep. There we go. First one. Already. That's what I'm talking about. That did not take long.
Yeehaw! What's up? Alright.
Is that a blue?
No.
You sure?
No, yeah, it's a channel.
Okay.
Look at the spots.
These are light.
Yeah.
Or is that a hybrid?
No, blue cats don't have these spots.
Oh, okay. Watch out for his barb, dude.
Yeah.
They're sharp on these little dudes.
I know, look at that thing. That thing looks deadly.
Yeah. The ones I was catching earlier weren't like that.
Man, already, that was so fast.
Good catch, my guy.
Thank you.
Oh. Good one? Oh, dude. Oh, big one. Big one. Look at that guy. That's a pretty freaking decent one. He's missing an eyeball. Well, cool. Good deal, man. So on the live bait.
On the live bait, that's 1 to 1.
1 to 1. I think yours is a little better than mine.
You want to keep him or?
I do, cause I like the other guy's probably about dead at this point. He's not gonna survive, and I don't really like keeping just one fish. So, dude, we should grill him up tonight. Dude, freaking fish tacos.
Right on, brother.
Dude, hell yeah. That's gonna be good eating right there. Good eating. Alright, as you can see, we got our catfish fillets here. This was the big one. Obviously, this was the little one that I caught, so this is the one that Hunter caught. I'm not doing anything crazy with them. I'm just doing a little Cajun seasoning. So I got some Tony Chacheries here. It's a big staple in this household, so literally just gonna dump a bunch of this on it and then get them on the grill. Alright, so it's been about 5-10 minutes since I put the catfish on. I think that what I'm going to do is, because it seems to be only cooking on the bottom mainly, is I'm going to cover it up with foil and I'll just kind of let it steam in there. And then hopefully that'll make sure that it's cooked all the way through, because you don't want to get sick off like fish, you know. Whew, hot. Alright, so let's check out what we ended up with here. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let me go in for a little taste test here. It's like super flaky meat. Oh yeah.
They got French green beans.
Oh yeah, there we go, that's what I'm talking about. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching the video. I had a lot of fun doing this one, so thanks for subscribing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next adventure.